This Coldwell banker Schmitt real estate company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. Located in desirable Cudjoe Gardens community and boasting extra room here for family and guests, with 3 bedrooms and 3 ensuite bathrooms. Vaulted ceilings accentuate the open concept floor plan living space plus concrete step-down dock and 2 boat lifts at 14,000 and 5,000 capacity. This canal system affords deep boating access and quick access to both Atlantic and Gulf fishing grounds. All your lobster spots nearby. Shown by appointment only. All buyers are to provide proof of funds or prequalification/pre-approval from their lender to the listing agent prior to scheduling the showing. For more information, review the details below.